Yeah, I am Vijay Kumar Agarwal. I am the president of Save Family Harmony. Today's press meet was regarding the successful completion of 1 year of our organization. We had started in October 4, 2008, and today, this week, we have completed 1 year. In this 1 year, there are several milestones we have covered. The first thing was we had got an order from the commissioner not to arrest anybody without proper investigation under section 498A. How far his subordinates are following his order is of course a second thing. Why they are not following is again a question. But most of them are following it, and the arrest rate have drastically reduced after our organization has started. Second thing, we conducted a convention calling Justice Raghuram Garu on the dynamics of crime on the road. Everybody, the judiciary, the advocates, police department, everybody is aware that 498A is grossly misused. Our Excellency President Pratibha Patil, our Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, everybody has accepted in public platform that 498A is a hurriedly law, legal terrorism, and it is a grossly misused law. In spite of that, why they are not making changes into this? It is only because of the selfish interest of our politicians who think that this law is favoring women, and if they change this law, women will not give them vote. They are totally wrong. This is an anti-woman law. Anti-woman law means one girl, because first thing, this law considers only the daughter-in-law as woman. It doesn't consider the sister of the husband and the mother of the husband as woman. That is the first mistake. Second thing, under this law only, every year 30,000 women are getting arrested. And finally, after 5 years of fighting, they are all acquitted because 98% cases are the false. But a person, an innocent person, when he is sent to jail without any reason, he comes back with a different mentality. He is not damaged, ill-reputed, he is defamed, and his mentality changes. And he never accepts that woman in his life. Our Save Family to stop this misuse, so that before we want public to know that before a 498 case is filed, they should come to us, our counseling, so that we can save the family. If a false 498 case, we warn the girls who are filed false 98 cases that once they file 498 cases, their lives are doomed. They cannot have a marriage, means they cannot stay with the same husband again. And others also will not marry a 498 girl, because they will also be scared that this girl can file another case against us.